There is Automobile Club of Southern California. We buy ticket there for Universal Studio. What's this here?
Torrance Boulevard in Redondo Beach.
Redondo Beach.
We made it from Laguna Beach to Redondo Beach. Heading to Newport Beach.
We're going to Newport Beach now, guys.
Oh look, there's where we went last time.
Yeah, there is.
There's the public beach. We had more of a private feel.
Yeah.
$3.97.
There is Laguna Beach.
See that gas price?
Wow, it's so expensive.
You go on the other side of the mountain, it's $3.27.
Yep.
We're gonna have to go up to Newport Beach to see what it is. And this is Thursday though.
Look at that people here, just walking up so many.
Yeah, but they're all going to the public beach. Up there they have to park your car and catch a bus. This is the main roadway.
And then the bus is free to honey.
I don't know. If it's free parking, pay for the bus. Or pay for parking, free bus.
Yeah. That's this traffic. This is a famous Laguna Beach. Dagang kayong tao diri, mga ligong dagat.
Thursday, people are taking early weekends. And they come here for Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Look at a basketball there, oh, see? There, the other side, I cannot see have a truck. There is.
Basketball, huh? You want to go?
No,
It's too hot for you? Huh? Put your hat on.
So hot.
With a three-point shooter. Just hang out in the background.
Even desert here, but it's closer to the ocean. It's not so filled desert.
It's not as dry.
It's not a dry.
It's humid, but not
Yeah.
real humid. A little bit humid.
And not like in Las Vegas and Utah. So
Well,
dry.
But not as bad as Florida. Humidity.
Yep.
Or Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines. You're dripping sweat there.
When I was there, I never could dry. I would dry out in a hotel room if it had air conditioning.
Yeah.
But as soon as we step out the door, I would sweat.
Even night time, it's okay to swim.
Long legs.
Oh no. Oh, go now.
This is the end of Laguna Beach. We'll be coming out of it soon.
Yeah.
And it's, I don't know what it is, but Newport Beach eventually.
I never been there, honey. In the port. Newport Beach.
Newport Beach.
That have many boats.
It's right next to Irvine. You want to stop at Seafood City?
Did we go?
On our free day Saturday.
Or maybe in the
Vegas.
Vegas because it's closer.
Yeah, we can do
Maybe
that.
the melting that if you buy here. Look at the view. Here is the view. The house is there. Cannot see now the house view.
Privacy. Is that gated? I think that's gated.
Yeah, look.
Emerald something.
Yeah, it's expensive,
Yeah,
but
it's
there.
gated. It's got a guard at the booth.
Yeah,
Big property taxes pays for a guard full time.
yeah. There he is.
Just riding down the coastal highway.
It's the view ocean.
North of Laguna. And they have another beach here. Look, they have parking too.
Yeah. Oh, it's so big that there. Huh?
Oh, it's gated. Can't go in there. That's their beach. They
Yeah.
live up over the hill. They probably have a tunnel underneath. Go under the road because I didn't see any crossing.
Cannot see now the beach. And there is the houses in the uphill. Nice here. At that building there. There is Automobile Club of Southern California. We buy ticket there for Universal Studio. And there is all the maps we got.
Let's look at Los Angeles right now.
There is Los Angeles region kind of map here. Orange County, California, Las Vegas Western area, Las Vegas Central area, the Strip, Turbo, and have other Turbo, Southern California. This is Nevada. You want to look at this? There is all. So we're ready to go to Universal Studio tomorrow. Hi guys, we here in Automobile Club of Southern California.
So it costs us $354.
Wow, $350 for 3 of us.
$57 discount.
Yeah.
It's normally $411 for 3 of us.
Yeah, we buy a ticket here.
So we got a discount, $57 discount.
Yeah. That's better have discount.
But it can still be seen.
Okay. We go driving around here.
I want to see the books.
Okay, there is the book.
I'm gonna eat another cookie roll.
Wow, you always eating that. It's so sweet.
I ate 2. Now I'm gonna eat my
Why?
Third one.
3rd.
Oh,
Did you put the water in the cooler? The little one?
Mine that honey. I not one.
The little one that we got for free.
Yeah, have that.
Oh, you like the cooler?
We here in Newport. Ma,
Here's where we stayed last night, Laguna Beach.
there is Laguna Beach and
Now we're in Newport Beach.
we are now in Newport Beach.
Irvine is right inland over here. There's Mission Viejo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Big map, huh?
Okay, now.
It's LA.
This whole thing is LA. These are Orange County though. Newport Beach and Laguna Beach.
Yeah.
Corona right there.
There is Corona.
Good location, right on the side of the mountains.
Yeah.
But it's got all those bridges and highways. It's just,
Yeah.
like it almost goes over the town. Where's Irvine? Oh, here's Irvine. Oh, we're right next to Irvine.
There is Irvine. Okay guys, we're just driving around here and whatever, where we go. We not know where we go. Okay, that's it.
Church. Oh, they got shopping here.
There is, what's this?
Trader Joe's. That's a shopping center. That's like a Kroger.
What's location this here?
Palos Verdes.
Oh, Palace, what? Palace Bird.
Hey, let's look on here.
How many hours?
Palos.
Oh, Palos Verdes.
On the bottom? Yeah.
Drive west.
That's that whole island, the whole peninsula thing that sticks out.
Yep, there it is guys. The navigation.
Doesn't even give you a
We
guess.
just driving around here, Arjun. We just look around and sightseeing.
No
Sightseeing.
No sights.
Well, you know, I don't want to just sit in a hotel and watch TV.
Yeah,
Sit at home. I mean, yeah, we get there, then we're there. We watch TV.
we are in
Cartoon
the
channel.
the vacation, RJ.
But while the sun's out, we're cruising around. We're searching. We've been driving the whole coast, all the way from Laguna Beach. We've been on the coast, hugging the coast.
And you kind of get sweet because
We're seeing how the rich live.
Yep, we look at the rich where you live, RJ.
Our home is like a bathroom to them.
Yeah,
The size of our house.
so big. That view there in the top.
Look at that rich girl.
Very
Blonde girl,
comfortable.
like 19 years old.
Yep.
Daddy's little girl. Gave her a BMW convertible.
Yep. Rich.
90,000. There you go, honey. He's a rich businessman at a Hollywood studio.
Yeah.
crash.
Maybe he's got some connections to get her into possible stardom movie.
Yeah. But that's so. Look at
Redondo
this here.
Beach. You ever hear Redondo Drive?
Nice.
You could buy like pants and a shirt for $1,000. Redondo
Yeah.
Drive.
But the view, guys.
Look, there's LA. They get a view of LA over here.
There's people
Imagine
live.
seeing the lights of LA from up here, which they do.
Yeah.
The ocean and the lights at Hollywood.
Yeah.
They see it all right up there, and the airport coming in. As far as view,
Rich
You can see the
people live
ocean.
here.
the city lights.
Ta-da!
Daddy,
Yep.
when we get home, take some rest. And after we take the rest,
We have to sleep late, huh? We'll be wiped
Yeah.
out. Sleep all day. We'll take one day, sleep day. All day. Right.
What's this town here?
I think we're coming into Redondo Beach.
Redondo
We're on
Beach.
Palos Verdes
Oh,
Boulevard. We just came through Palos Verdes. You can see LA in the distance, way out there. And anyway, Redondo Beach, it's right down here. Another very expensive area to live. Beautiful beach. I've been there
Yeah.
before. What do you think?
yep, nice place here.
This should be it. All beach towns. Beach is right there. Right down a couple blocks to the left is the beach. Flat. No more cliffs. Instead of the other desert road, take the back one, Palm Springs. Back to Vegas. And if we really want to get bold, we could go to St. George and stay there.
Yeah.
Or we could go to Vegas Sunday night, Sunday afternoon, then leave early on Monday instead of going all the way straight home.
Yeah.
Go to St. George and go to Zion Park, stay at a hotel.
Yeah.
Go to Zion Park, and then go back Tuesday. See how we feel about you burn. What do you think? Redondo Beach.
Yep, nice. Have a lot of house here.
But look along the coast. There it is, a hidden gem.
At this house here.
Look, it is for sale. Be a nice business right there. Torrance Boulevard. So that's good. That goes over.
What's this here?
Torrance Boulevard in Redondo Beach.
Redondo
We
Beach.
made it from Laguna Beach to Redondo Beach. All
Yeah.
along the coast. From here. I'll do another time.
Yep.
It's not on this map. That's how far away we were. want to see the other part of the coast. We've seen that too. We've seen LA. We've been to
Yeah.
Santa Monica, Venice Beach. But we can go up to Malibu Beach.
We
Oh,
passed to the big building in the city, honey.
no, we will at one time, yeah.
Ah,
But we might be going bumper to bumper, so you have plenty of time to film.
okay, I saved this
We're heading to Interstate 110 to go to Pasadena,
Yep.
but we're going to go right past downtown LA. But it's going to be slow going unless a miracle happens, and it's not. The 110 freeway north we want.
Okay, that's it for today, guys.
Goodbye from Redondo Beach,
Yeah.
California.
Okay, bye-bye.